And hello, class, and we have reached the final days of the course here as we go into the final days. And this is actually my last video of instruction that I'm going to do for you all as we conclude the semester here. So, just want to get down here to the main things that you need to accomplish here within the next week. Once again, this is the final week of the course. Technically, it's a half a week, but however, though, the action items that you need to complete are the following. So if you go to week 7.5, what you have to do is you have to complete the final assignment for the course. This is the signature assignment that I've been presenting to the class, and I've been talking about this over the last 3 to 4 weeks and encourage this student body to begin your research on this and not wait until the last minute. So this is going to be due, the final paper, you're going to submit that on Friday, December the 8th. The deadline is Friday, December the 8th at 11:59 p.m. And then you have one final quiz. This quiz is the wrap-up quiz for the course. The deadline to take that quiz is going to be also Friday, December the 8th. Both assignments are going to be due. Both tasks are to be completed at 11:59 p.m. That will be coming up this Friday, December the 8th. And this will officially conclude the course. So, again, and I put this in the announcements already in the course home. You received notification that an announcement was made on D2L. This is what I expect for everyone to do. And I'm just going to go over briefly again. You're going to submit the final paper. That's due Friday, December the 8th. And you're going to take the final quiz. That needs to be taken by Friday, December the 8th. Notice that I did emphasize there are no late submissions. So don't let Saturday, December the 9th come around, because technically, per our academic calendar, the final exams or the final exam days are from December the 5th to December the 8th. So what I've done here, I've actually incorporated for the final paper as well as the final quiz to be taken within the final exam period. So, again, I know I'm repeating myself. I want everybody to get this. Do not try to make a submission of the final paper on Saturday, December the 9th, or Sunday, December the 10th. It will not be accepted. You will get a 0. Do not try to take the final quiz as well on Saturday, December the 9th, or Sunday, December the 10th, or any date after Friday, December the 8th. It will not be accepted. So, where we're at currently, as we have already concluded week number 7, there are assignments that I do have to grade from week number 7, and I will have that done no later than Tuesday of this week. So, be vigilant of the time that we are in. As you are probably looking at this video, it is Monday, December the 4th. Take the next 4 days to get these tasks completed. Submit the final paper, take the final exam, and one more thing that you need to do here is you need to take the post-course survey. So you will find that in the content section, and I will click on the contents, and you scroll on the bottom here, and you will see the post-course survey. So make sure you take the post-course survey as we conclude the week. I want that done by Friday, December the 8th as well. Again, everybody, congratulations, you have completed another semester. It was a pleasure being your instructor in this class. And some of you I will possibly have for other courses in upcoming semesters. Hopefully, I will see you all around, definitely with the online course layout. Okay, everyone, this is Professor Javier Black officially signing off, and you have a good holiday break.